Today, we're going to build an AI-powered image captioning system from scratch. Imagine being able to describe any image automatically using AI. It's something that's being used in real-world applications like helping visually impaired people understand images, generating captions for social media posts, and even automating product descriptions for e-commerce. So, let's get started. We'll use a pre-trained AI model called BLIP, Bootstrapped Language Image Pre-training. It's a state-of-the-art model that combines vision and language understanding to generate accurate captions. The best part, we don't need to train the model ourselves. We'll use a pre-trained version, so this will be quick and easy. Let's jump into the code. First, make sure you have the necessary libraries installed. We'll be using Hugging Face Transformers for the pre-trained model and Pillow for handling images. Now, let's write the code step by step. First, we'll import the required libraries. We will import the BLIP processor and the BLIP for conditional generation tools from the Transformers library. BLIP processor is a tool, a class, technically, that helps prepare images and text for the BLIP model. It handles things like resizing the image, normalizing pixel values, and converting text into a format the model understands. BLIP for conditional generation is the actual BLIP model itself, specifically the version designed for conditional generation tasks. Image captioning is a conditional generation task because the model generates text conditioned on the input image. This class contains the pre-trained neural network that does the heavy lifting of understanding the image and generating the caption. We also import the Pillow library, which is essential for working with images in Python. Image is a class within the PIL library that provides ways to open, manipulate, and save images. Next, we'll load the pre-trained BLIP model and its processor. BLIP stands for Bootstrap Language Image Pre-training. It's a powerful model developed by Salesforce specifically for tasks like image captioning. We're going to use a pre-trained version of it. So, we load the processor and the model itself using BLIP processor from pre-trained and BLIP for conditional generation from pre-trained. The processor is what handles the image pre-processing, getting the image ready for the model, and also the decoding of the caption from the model's output. The model, well, that's the brain that does the actual captioning. Now let's load an image. You can use any image you want. These are the images we want to generate captions for. I've just included some images having cityscape, elephants, flowers, and nature. You'll want to replace these with the actual paths to your own image files. We iterate through each image path. Inside the loop, we first load the image using image.open. This opens the image file using the PIL library. Then we pre-process the image using the processor we loaded earlier. Processor takes the image and converts it into a format the BLIP model understands. Return tensors equals PT specifies that we want PyTorch tensors, which is what the model expects. The magic happens with model.generate. This function feeds the pre-processed image to the BLIP model, and the model generates a caption. The inputs unpacks the pre-processed image data as input to the model. The output out is in a numerical format that the model uses internally. We need to decode it back into human-readable text. That's where processor.decode comes in. Out, 0, accesses the generated caption, and skip special tokens equals true cleans up any special tokens that the model might add. Finally, we print the image path and the generated caption. It displays the results nicely formatted. So for each image in our list, the code loads it, pre-processes it, feeds it to the BLIP model, decodes the model's output, and prints the generated caption. And that's it. Let's run this and see what happens. Look at the output. Our AI just generated the perfect caption for images. Here is the first image of the cityscape. For this image, the BLIP model generated the caption, sand skyline with clouds. Our second image is of 2 elephants. For this image, the generated caption is 2 elephants playing in the water. For the third image of flower garden, the BLIP model generated the caption, a garden with lots of flowers and plants. Finally, the fourth image is of nature with river and mountains. The generated caption is a river in the mountains with a mountain range in the background. Amazing, right? In just a few lines of code, we've built a fully functional image captioning system. I hope you enjoyed this quick coding challenge. If you found this video helpful, check out more quick coding challenges on this channel. Try this out yourself and share your results in the comments below. I'd love to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!